Good morning, everyone. Today we have a few stocks moving pre-market. A couple of good news. A lot of things moving this morning. I'm gonna try to pay attention on the ones that I think have the better chance of moving in my direction. And we have BIOC. This is not the best stock, but in the last few days it's been moving. And today has some news. It was awarded a patent, Chinese patent, and it's actually soaring pre-market. Pretty nice spike. Gonna keep an eye on this thing, see how market reacts, but it seems like it's gonna be a new good news here. We also have SID picking up a little bit of steam. The high of this year for this stock is $4.60. Right now we're hovering very close to $0.50 area. So I'm waiting for this to see how it's gonna run. Probably gonna break the year high. We also have APHA from last week. So you see here a couple of good formations. We made a video of this thing was actually picking up some steam right here, back here, and then we had to break out of this level here. So you can see here this ascending triangle, and right now it's picking up steam pre-market. See how market's going to react. This is just a follow-through play. I don't know if it's actually something that's going to hold the trend or if it's actually going to pull back. So let's see how everything's going to set up for today. And we also have ARMP and a couple of gold stocks moving. Gold sector is moving this morning, but this is also another company that's picking up some steam, and it has a good data on fibrosis studies. Affects a lot of people, and they have positive data on the study. So I think it's probably the market is going to react in a good way. We have NIO moving pre-market as well. GBTC here. This is all that I'm going to share with you for this morning. I'm going to try to keep this video small, but I just wanted to bring you something. Wish you a great day today, and happy trading, guys. Thank you.